Welcome to the November 2023 issue of Municipal Sewer and Water magazine. On the cover, meet Kevin Danon, a sewer operations engineer with a vision to handle heavier rains and minimize tunnel maintenance. Discover how Minneapolis is rising to the challenge with an ambitious 12-foot diameter tunnel project, and why their in-house team's expertise is their secret weapon in this game-changing $57 million mission. Don't miss this exclusive look into the future of stormwater management. MSW editor Luke Lagus uncovers a cautionary tale from Georgia, where a family's water bill skyrocketed without explanation. Dive into the world of utility customer service and discover the importance of common sense in dealing with customer concerns. When it comes to wastewater lift stations, every community should take a cue from North Glen, Colorado. Thomas Renner delves into their proactive approach, replacing an aging station and overhauling a major sewer line. Discover how they tackled challenges, leveraged industry experience, and set a stellar example for wastewater infrastructure improvement. When it comes to choosing cured-in-place pipe resins for municipal projects, there's more to consider than meets the eye. Enter the complex world of resin selection, fume concerns, and innovative barrier solutions. Find out how municipalities can make the right choice for their aging infrastructure in this insightful guide. In the world of workplace safety, there's a phrase that can lead to disaster. It's no big deal. Ronnie Freeman uncovers how this dismissive attitude can turn minor hazards into major crises. Don't let your workplace become a ticking time bomb. Read on to learn more. The small town of Bedford, Indiana battled aging sewer systems on the brink of disaster. Discover how they harnessed EnviroSite's cutting-edge equipment, like the Rover X sewer inspection crawler, to rejuvenate their infrastructure and stay ahead. Water and wastewater utilities are always on the lookout for ways to boost efficiency and reduce costs. Municipal Innovations is a special section dedicated to companies providing solutions to the problems your utilities face every day. Cincinnati's bold move, putting public health above finances by fully funding lead service line replacements. Learn from Kevin Kappers, the utility's lead program manager, how they tackle a national crisis with community-driven strategies. Introducing Sewer Pro Shop's powerful milling cutters. Discover how the company helps municipalities tackle the toughest sewer blockages with precision-engineered tools that save pipes and budgets. Check out the latest electronic leak detection tools from industry leaders. Find out how these innovative solutions redefine precision in utility locating and pipe inspections. Thank you for watching, stay safe out there, and see you next month.